sketching in Revit as if it was a freehand drawing, or doing it in manual drafting, or doing it in AutoCAD. It's all the same. So generally you actually work out some kind of sketch with the client, with pencil. You try to make it proportional. So here's the artist studio design, and you can see there's a set of stairs that takes you upstairs to the gallery, which is part of the public space. That public space shares a vestibule here. There's some kind of a foyer here, circulation that goes over here. Pretty much open space for the main living area. You have the living room, dining room, and the kitchen area with the countertop over here and a linear counter over here. Essentially, this public open space is surrounded by or configured by your support spaces. Believe it or not, it's the support spaces which are usually the troublemakers. So you want to take care of the support spaces and organize them in a very careful manner so that you actually have them used as a buffer space and also coordinate the plumbing. Here you see that the coat closet is within the vicinity of a foyer and the main circulation into the building, into the public space, followed by a mechanical room which you wanted somewhat centrally located. And you have the pantry, which is accessible to the kitchen area. That's then backed into another zone of closets, two sets of closets from the main bedroom. You can see that he's actually looking for two coat closets, or two closets, I should say, and a bathroom that's again back to the other bathroom. All of the plumbing is pretty much set over here. The bedroom is separated from the lower level studio by a closet, which is essentially acting as a hanger for very large paintings that roll in and out into the open space. There's also a storage space for his paint and drawing equipment. So here you can actually, it's a very simple project. We're ready to draw. So what I like to do is actually start zone by zone. So I imported the sketch right in here and we begin to sketch. I actually created by doing manage, additional setting, going into line style. I added a new line type and I called it sketching. And I called it sketch 2. I'm going to create a sketch 3 and say OK. I gave it a line color and then say OK. And simply say OK. And when you come here and you go annotate and you say detail line, you go onto here and you'll see that there's sketch 2 and there's sketch 3. I'm going to work off of sketch 2 already. All right, so the very first thing you do is you just want to give yourself some baseline. All right, so that's just basically that wall. And I look at what the offset is and what's the size of these closets. Notice he wants a grand wide stairs, which actually works really well for the mechanical room. Out of these spaces, mechanical room is the most demanding. So I'm just basically going to offset that 4 feet 6 inches. So I'm going to change it to 4 feet 6 inches. I'm going to come on over here. That takes care of my zone over here. I'm going to start working from the coat closet down here. So annotate, detail line. Again, you're right there. You can also type DL. I'm going to go right here, and then I'm going to offset for the coat closet, including the wall thickness. I'm going to offset it. 6 foot 6 inches, 6 foot 8 inches. 8 inches gives me my wall thickness on both sides, and it gives me a little bit of freedom to go a little bit bigger. So that's my 6 foot 6 inches over here. I'm going to do another 6 foot 6 inches over here. I'm going to do 5 feet over here, or 5 feet 8 inches over here for the last one right there. So I took care of the coat closet, mechanical room, and the pantry. Now I'm going to go over here and take care of this closet, which is, I'm going to go 6 foot 8, and I'm going to tell you why I want to do 6 foot 8 in a second. So now here it seems like somebody already configured the coordination of the 1 foot for the pantry with this area. So here's the 1 foot that goes over here. So I need to go another 1 foot. So I'm going to go offset of 1 foot back here. So there you go. Actually keeps going to the wrong side. That's okay. This is the pantry on this side. That's the coat closet, the kitchen cabinet on this side. So that's basically where I want to go. Here it is. That's my kitchen cabinet. You can actually see the pantry area of it. Now I'm going to just take this one, offset at 6'6", 6'8" actually, 6'8" inches. Go this direction. You can actually see where I'm going with this. All right. So back tack here. So that gives you this area, but I really would like to do it this way. That's a whole lot better. And actually take this line back to here. Here's the line. Now I've configured this area nice and clean. I really didn't need this one, so I'm just going to, but if you want, you can actually use it for your kitchen cabinet area. So I'm going to just bring it over here. That's my kitchen cabinet. You can see the kitchen cabinet, how it works right over here. Yank this line back. Let's move the image back so we can continue working here. So I've got one closet already taken care of. I'm going to take care of the other closet. So take this line, offset it again, 6'8" in this direction. I'm going to take this line, move it back, clean it up because I might as well. So the next zone is my bathroom. My bathroom minimum length inside is 7 feet, so I'm going to go 7 feet 8 inches. So there's my bathroom. Go ahead and drag this line so I have a lot more to work with. After the bathroom is my half bath. After the bathroom is my half bath. But I look at it and I say maybe I need some more space, but right now I'm just going to do the half bath offset of 5 feet 8 inches. Here we go. There's my half bath. So here's my space. All right. So I'm then going to just quickly do this so you can actually see I took care of that zone. All right. So now I'm going to come back here and create a circulation path. So I'm going to create a circulation path of 4 feet. So offset 4. Here it goes. That's my circulation path of 4 feet. I need circulation path of 4 feet around here. I need 3 feet of counter, which includes an area for dining. So there's my countertop on this side, which is relatively a vogue process. And I'm going to draw myself a simple line that separates my dining area and my kitchen dining area. So I'm just going to align. This is an imaginary line. All right. So now I'm going to give myself an area for the dining. So for the dining, I need somewhere around 11 feet. So I'm offset this 11 feet, 11 feet. Here it goes. So there's my dining area. So for my living area, I need somewhere around 15 feet. It's a lot more larger. So there it goes. So approximately, this is the area that I'm going to need. There it goes. Go ahead and take this a little bit back so my stairs can actually move up like that. And there it is. I don't need this. Get rid of it. So you can actually see where my spaces are happening. Now let's move on the bedroom zone. So go ahead, annotate, detail line, move in this direction. So for the bedroom zone, you actually are looking at, let's see, bedroom zone of 20 by 20. So I'm just going to pick this one, offset at 20 feet, rough, here it is, and close it. There it is. So he's looking for an entry over here. So I'm going to actually look at some minimum distance over here. So I like to have about 11 feet at least, maybe 12 feet. So I'm going to make it right this. And I'm going to make that closet, the roller area, I'm going to make it about 4 feet total. Maybe not. Maybe I make it 2 feet. Yeah, that looks like what I have. So I'm going to stop against this line, these guys, so that roller area is there. So maybe I actually modify this and increase this right there. So essentially, here you can actually see the outline, and I'm going to go ahead and draw the stairs, and stairs are about 10 inch offset. I'm going to just draw offset of 10 inches, few steps. So 10 inches. I'm going to draw a few of the steps there. Get closer, closer, closer. You can array, it goes a whole lot faster. But for now, I'm just going to draw this. There we go. And so it gives me a sense of where the stairs are going. Alrighty, so the stairs are going this way, and at some point I can't see going up, so I'm just going to draw a diagonal line so I can see where the stairs no longer can be seen. So the stairs go up this way, living room here, dining room is here. I need to create a zone for my foyer, so the steps go that way. So I'm just going to grab this one, come on forward, and perhaps come on over here, annotate, draw a line from there to there. So that gives me a sense of where that where that foyer may be. So the vestibule is right here. The vestibule is right here. You can enter this way. Preferred is obviously entering this way. The circulation goes here. Here's your living room. Here's your dining room. There's a circulation that goes over here. So I think it's fair to actually align this here, because your dining is here, because this portion of it is circulation. You could also circulate right along here. I think you need to just sort of offset this one as well, 4 feet for the circulation. I'm going to change it to 4 feet. So that gives me a distance where I would like to take these lines. Go ahead and take it out. So right now, if I looked at the floor plan here, let me just reduce this just a little bit from there to there. I think it's about there. All right. So now you can actually see the floor plan that we're given versus the outline that we have drawn. So this is sketching using Revit. Revit is no different than using pencil. It's no different than using AutoCAD. It is no different than using another software. So this is for all of those people who are against using software because they think you can do faster by pencil. This was just as fast as sketching.